Welcome aboard, sailors and ETO cadets. Today we are going to learn how to use a clam meter safely on board ship, and this is one of the most important test equipment. And actually, what is a clam meter? A clam meter is an electrical test equipment used to measure current without disconnecting the wire. So you don't have to disconnect the wire. The clam jaws detects the magnetic field around a conductor and measure the current safely and quickly. Clam meters are used on ships to check motor current mainly. It helps engineers quickly identify overloads and abnormal current conditions. Clam meters are widely used on ships for troubleshooting motors, generators, switchboards, and electrical circuits. And also with the clam meter, there is a selector switch. You can check the voltage, resistance, and continuity. There is a provision given in the selector switch. And safety precaution while using the clam meter. Always select the correct current range before use. That is very important. Wear proper PPE and insulated gloves. Never touch bare conductors. Clamp only one conductor at a time for accurate reading. Check the meter condition before using it. So this topic is perfect for marine engineering students, ETO cadets, and beginners in electrical troubleshooting. Please like, share, and subscribe for more marine, electrical, and ship automation videos. Thank you.